You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn bonjour, the name of this French physician, a famous, the famous disease has been named after him. So how do you say his name? Maurice is how you say it in French. Raynaud, yes, the D is silent at the end of his last name, Raynaud. Therefore in English it's pronounced Maurice Raynaud. Maurice Raynaud, therefore the disease is Raynaud's disease, not Raynaud's. No D. Maurice Raynaud. Raynaud's disease. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.